Hey, I'm Brent Reaves.
I'm Juan Reaves.
And we are the co-owners of Smokey John's Barbecue in Dallas, Texas. We're a family-owned and operated business since 1976. Today, we are excited to be a part of something special. We're seasoning some ribs, and we're gonna use a new special grill.
First of all, we're gonna share our secret to ribs, which is using our Smokey John's Barbecue Rub. But we're gonna take it to another level. We're gonna do it like you would at home.
Yep.
If you have the special Weber wood fire pellet grill. We've got the new EX6 and we are super excited to give it a try.
All right, first of all, what we start off with is our signature rub. Well, what's in that signature rub?
Well, I can't tell them everything that's in there,
Don't
Brent.
give them everything.
But it's things that you would expect in a good rub. You got some chili powder, a little cayenne for heat, a little brown sugar, some onion, garlic, things like that that's gonna help bring the flavors together. And then once it hits that grill and that fire and that smoke start coming through, the magic happens.
All right, guys, we take this.
You're going the whole top off.
I'm going top off.
I was gonna shake, but all right, I'll go your route.
All right. So what we like to do is to get a little water and put on our ribs. We use a St. Louis cut rib, and then we put a little bit of water just to allow the seasoning to catch on the ribs. And then we do a pretty liberal shake on the ribs.
We're not very political except for with our ribs.
All right, so we'll get that going and get a nice good rub going. What we like to have is we like to create almost a light paste on the rib.
Yeah, you want the key here is we don't want the seasoning to fall off the ribs. We want to make sure that it's on there, that it adheres, and then we like a bark. So we want to get that paste to give us a little bit of a bark once we get going.
And I tell you what we do is we make sure every part of the ribs are covered. We season everything on this rib. We don't leave anything bare, right?
Hey, well, you know, that's not how we were taught.
So we're just basically gonna do the same thing. Go to the next side.
I think you've done a fine job over there, bro.
All right, guys.
Oh, yours looks a little better than mine.
Yeah, so you're doing a great job.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right, so pretty much what you're gonna see is have a nice even coat on your rib, and again on both sides you want that seasoning on.
So a little pro tip, what you want to do is season up your grill. If you have the time, season your ribs and let them marinate overnight. That's going to give you that extra little hint of flavor. That's going to give you that it's also going to make your meat a little more tender.
It sure will. Absolutely.
And it's going to help with the juiciness because it's going to lock in and seal. If you don't have time for that, then our answer is always just a little extra rub. It's going to help with the flavor as well, but overnight's the trick.
All right, guys. It's time to throw these bad boys on the grill.
It's grill time.
They're ready.
The key is you can see as we're putting it down, you can see that you've got a nice paste on both sides, a nice coating. And now it's just time to let the Weber do its work.
All right, so we've got everything set at 225. We're gonna let this sit probably for about an hour. We're checking about an hour and 15
about
minutes.
Hour and 15 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them.
Then we'll flip them, let them cook evenly on both sides. And then let's see what the Weber does. Okay, so this is the first flip, so we're gonna flip them here.
It's cooking nicely though. It's very even, smooth. I like this.
We're gonna let this cook the same amount of time as we did on the first side. Let that go, and hey, we'll get ready to check on it in about another hour.
We'll check on it about an hour.
Okay,
sounds good.
Let's do it. Oh my God!
What is going on,
bro?
It's like magic.
Bro, do you feel like you even did anything?
I don't know if we did anything except set the temperature, and the SmokeFire has done the rest.
It has done the rest. I tell you, all we're gonna do now is just take our sauce. We'll baste these bad boys.
I don't even need the sauce, but I know you like to baste it.
Know,
people like to baste it.
People at home like to baste.
That's fine.
That's what they want to see.
And we have a great sauce to do it with.
Absolutely. We'll let this sit probably for another 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the sauce to absorb in the meat, and it's gonna be ready. It's gonna be time to eat.
Yes. So let's hurry up because that's the time I like.
All right, guys. So here's the finished product. It's amazing. Weber has done it again.
Yeah, this looks amazing.
Yes.
I can't wait to go back and see what people do when they try this out because you've got, you watch this, we coated it, and then as Brent showed you, we basted the ribs, and now They just look beautiful.
Yeah.
But it's not enough to look at them.
Yeah.
So
one of the things we did was, we let them cook for about 2.5 hours. You can go from 2 to 3 hours.
it's gonna, depend on a couple of factors, but mainly if you really like to get the bark, you might want to go a little bit longer.
Absolutely.
The beauty is the wood fire pellet grill has great hold on the temperature.
Absolutely.
It was awesome to see that it was able to maintain.
Yeah.
So
It doesn't fluctuate. It's a smooth, even cook all the way through.
all the way through.
All right.
And
you
you're
know
gonna
what?
see how we know this.
It's time.
It's go time,
All
baby.
right. All right, guys. We got our signature barbecue knife, and
So you're giving me a
that?
center cut?
it's center cut, bro.
Did
Look
you
at
even
that.
use the knife?
I don't think I needed to.
Oh,
I don't think I
man.
needed to. Let's go and let's get you a whole
You
rib.
could have
Oh
used like
my
a plastic knife for that. You got this fancy.
God. Before I give it to you, they've got to see this. Look at this, guys. Look at that rib.
Oh my God.
You've got like a beautiful smoke ring. Look, you've got the flavor, the season, bro. That's yours. There you go.
You want me to eat this?
I want you to eat that. You go for it.
Well, I'll do it because I take one for the team.
Hey, you're doing a great job. Oh, just like you wanted. A little bit of pull.
So when you can pinch and it
Yes.
pulls off like that,
Oh my God. That's a quality rib.
that's a quality rib.
Okay, guys, Weber is doing it right with this amazing SmokeFire grill. Juan, is it the truth?
It's better than the truth. I don't know what that is, but it's better than the truth.
I don't think that you can put that down.
You know what it is?
What is it?
It's Weberific.
That's the Weber way, guys.